Welcome to World's Largest Extremes, where we confront the planet's most monumental and often terrifying natural phenomena. Today, we journey to the most isolated, coldest continent on Earth, Antarctica, to witness a paradox that looks like something ripped from a horror film, a waterfall of blood. For over a century, travelers and scientists have gazed upon the dramatic crimson stain flowing across the brilliant white ice of the Taylor Glacier in Victoria Land. This is the infamous Blood Falls. It is a visual extreme, a river of arterial red flowing in a world defined by crystalline blue and white. But this isn't a simple geographical curiosity. This waterfall is the visible terminus of one of the most extreme, alien ecosystems on our planet. It is a portal to a world buried miles beneath the ice, a world with no light, no oxygen, and teeming with life that has been isolated for millions of years. Join us as we solve this monumental mystery. We will expose the initial misconceptions, reveal the stunning chemical truth, and dive into the extreme microbial life that proves life can flourish in conditions that should be absolutely lethal. Part 1. The Initial Mystery and the Algae Theory. The discovery of this crimson flow dates back to 1911, when the Australian geologist Griffith Taylor first charted the area. The early explorers, completely baffled by the sight, offered the most logical explanation for a naturally occurring red liquid: algae. They theorized that some unique species of red, freshwater algae must be thriving in the meltwater, coloring the flow before it reached the surface. It was a reasonable guess, but the environment itself should have immediately disqualified it. Algae require light and relatively mild conditions to survive. The truth, as science would reveal decades later, was far more extreme. The source of this liquid was not benign surface melt, but an ancient, subglacial reservoir under immense pressure, a system hidden from the sun, shielded from the air, and trapped beneath nearly 400 meters of solid ice. Before we discuss the life within, we must first understand the spectacular chemistry that gives this water its shocking, blood-red color. Part 2. The Chemical Truth: Iron and Extreme Salt. In 2003, researchers finally determined that the color of the water is not biological, but purely geochemical. It's not blood, but it is the same process that makes blood look red: rust. The source of the liquid is a vast, hypersaline lake buried deep beneath the Taylor Glacier. For millions of years, this water has been trapped, slowly dissolving mineral deposits from the underlying bedrock. The extreme secret of the color is twofold. Extreme iron concentration: the liquid is saturated with ferric hydroxide, a compound rich in dissolved iron. The reveal: oxidation: the water flows out through a crack in the ice, emerging from the pitch black and into the air. As soon as the highly ferrous water meets the atmosphere, the iron oxidizes. It rusts instantaneously, forming the brilliant, shocking, blood-red stain of ferric oxide, the same compound found in dried blood. But the most extreme quality of this water is its salinity. This brine is so salty, it is over 3 times salter than seawater. This immense concentration of salt is what allows the water to remain liquid at an unbelievable temperature of -10 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Fahrenheit. This super-chilled, ultra-salty brine acts as an antifreeze, preventing the underground lake from solidifying and preserving the extreme ecosystem within. Part 3. The Extreme Isolation and the Alien Ecosystem. This brings us to the monumental discovery of Blood Falls, the life forms that thrive inside this underground reservoir. This environment is an extreme alien world, pitch black, frozen, highly pressurized, and devoid of oxygen. In 2009, scientists confirmed that the trapped brine contains a thriving, complex community of extremophile microbes. They have been entirely isolated from the rest of the world for between 1.5 and 5 million years. This makes the subglacial lake a geological time capsule. These microbes do not rely on sunlight for energy. They practice a form of metabolism known as chemosynthesis. Instead of photosynthesis, they use the chemical energy derived from the iron and sulfur compounds found in the water and the bedrock. As the liquid cycles through the rock, the microbes essentially breathe the iron. They use the iron compounds to metabolize, surviving by breaking down the minerals around them. This is life at its absolute extreme limit, an entire ecosystem that has evolved to thrive in a world that would instantly kill nearly every other organism on Earth. They are the ultimate survivors. Part 4. The Extreme Significance. Life Beyond Earth. The microbial life in Blood Falls is more than a biological curiosity. It's a monumental clue in the search for extraterrestrial life. For decades, astrobiologists have speculated about the possibility of life existing in the oceans beneath the icy crusts of moons like Jupiter's Europa or Saturn's Enceladus. These environments mirror the conditions found in the Taylor Glacier brine: cold, high pressure, dark, and sustained by liquid water. The extremophiles of Blood Falls prove that life does not require sunlight to exist. It can be powered entirely by the chemical energy found in rock and water. The fact that these microbes have survived in complete isolation for millions of years, developing an entirely unique, iron-based metabolism, gives scientists absolute confidence that similar chemosynthetic life forms could be thriving in the subglacial oceans of alien worlds. Blood Falls is not just Antarctica's bleeding wound. It is our most accessible model for life beyond Earth. It is a stunning, extreme testament to the resilience of biology. From a chilling geographical puzzle to a monumental clue in astrobiology, Blood Falls remains one of the most extreme scientific sights on the planet. Its crimson flow is a visible reminder that life, in some form, can conquer every obstacle. Did the true, complex nature of Blood Falls surprise you? Do you think similar life exists on Europa? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If this extreme dive into Antarctic science shocked and educated you, be sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to World's Largest Extremes for more groundbreaking analysis of monumental forces. Until next time, keep exploring the limits of life.